Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about CuraBall. Does it really work? You should purchase this product or not, and what are the major problems of this product. Okay, so in this video we will cover lots of information, and after watching this video you don't need to watch any other video. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all I want to show you something. You can see over here, this is amazon.com. You just need to simply type wrist trainer power gyro balls. Okay, so you will see there are so many product available on amazon.com, and the costing of the product is really very, you can say, like low prices. You can see like only $9, only in $15, only in 34, or you can say like $35 you will get the same kind of product. Okay, so basically this product is not a unique product, and the product is easily available on amazon.com, amazon.ca. You can see over here this product is also available on amazon.com, but right now this is out of stock. I really don't know what is the reason behind this thing, but this is the same type of product. Okay, and if we talk about you should buy this product or not, basically CuraBall is a very newly launched brand, and they are selling this product at their official website, and this official website is only you can say like 2 month old website, and these kind of websites maybe disappear from internet. There is no guarantee about this thing. Okay, so my suggestion is only this: you should not go with this ball. If you really want to try, then you can go on amazon.com and you can simply type wrist trainer power balls. Okay, so if we talk about does it really give you results or not, so basically the product is available on amazon.com, and you can see the ratings of the product is on an average. So without using product we can't say anything you will get benefits or not. And if we talk about the benefits, so benefits will give you approx 15 to 25 days, and we can say like you have to use this kind of product at least 3 weeks. Okay, and if you're thinking like you will see lots of benefits in between, you can like overnight, so it's impossible. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and if you have any experience you can share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment is a real review. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.